EINSTAR2 is a perfect tool to complete this task. The EINSTAR2 features 17 parallel laser lines, enabling it to capture high-resolution, high-fidelity 3D models quickly. It precisely reproduces intricate details and holes. By using a turntable and markers, scanning becomes effortless, and the front and back sides of the object can be seamlessly aligned into a complete model. Next, we'll utilize the reverse engineering software EXModel. Customers who purchase the EINSTAR2 in 2025 will receive a free 1-year license of EXModel Personal. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Align the mesh to the coordinate system of the software by creating planes or geometric shapes by extracting primitives. Draw 2D sketch and extrude the workpiece to form its general shape. Create sketch and draw the pattern according to the sketch, then extrude a new solid. Since this workpiece has a uniform geometric feature distribution, a circular pattern can be used for its design. Create a 2D sketch for all areas requiring holes, then select the Cut option under the Extrude menu to create the hole.